One, track every penny. Take charge of your spending by tracking every dollar that leaves your wallet. Use a budget app or write it down on paper. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to making it grow. Most people are shocked when they see how much slips away on little things every week. For example, that daily coffee run. It adds up. When you can see the numbers, it's much easier to make changes. 2. Cook at home more often. Eating out and ordering takeout costs way more than home-cooked meals. Try planning your meals for the week and make a grocery list before you shop. Cooking at home isn't just cheaper, it's healthier too. You don't need to be a chef. Simple recipes can make a big difference. Challenge yourself, pack lunch for work or school just 3 days a week. See how much you save. 3. Cancel and use subscriptions. Do you really use all those streaming services, gym memberships, or premium apps? Review your bank statements for monthly charges and cancel anything you're not using or don't truly need. Those small monthly fees pile up fast. Pro tip: whenever an annual subscription renews, ask yourself if you've been using it in the past 3 months. If not, cancel it right away. 4. Shop smarter for groceries. Supermarkets are full of tempting options designed to make you spend more. Stick to your list, avoid shopping when hungry, and look for store brands, which are usually just as good as name brands but much cheaper. Consider buying staples like rice or beans in bulk. Bonus tip: try planning meals around what's on sale this week. You could save even more. 5. Lower your utility bills. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug electronics you rarely use. Set the thermostat a few degrees lower in winter and higher in summer. Small changes in habits can add up to noticeable savings. Switch to LED light bulbs, run full loads of laundry, and cut shower times. Saving energy is saving money. 6. Negotiate bills and shop around. Don't just accept what you're paying for services like insurance, cell phones, or internet. Call your provider and ask for a better deal or look for cheaper plans with rival companies. You'd be surprised by how often companies are willing to offer discounts to keep you as a customer. If you've been with your provider for a while, just mention you've seen better deals. Sometimes they'll give you one on the spot. 7. Review and tweak your transportation costs. Are you making the most out of your car? Could you carpool, use public transport, or even bike for some trips? If you drive, keep your car well maintained for better fuel efficiency. And don't pay for parking if you don't have to. If you rarely use your car, consider selling it and using a rideshare service when needed. This can lead to big savings. Avoid impulse shopping. Have you ever bought something on a whim and regretted it later? Next time you want to buy something that's not on your list, pause. Give it 24 hours before making the purchase. More often than not, you'll realize you don't really need it. Create a wish list and review it once a month. You'll notice many items are no longer tempting. 9. DIY whenever you can. Try fixing things yourself before calling a professional. From minor home repairs to doing your own nails or haircuts, there's a tutorial for almost everything online these days. Doing it yourself can save serious cash over time. Start small. Even basic cleaning or maintenance jobs around your house can save you hundreds each year. 10. Set savings goals and reward yourself. Saving money is more fun when you're working towards something. Set a monthly savings goal, even if it's just a small amount, and watch your progress. As you hit your milestones, treat yourself to a budget-friendly reward, like a homemade movie night. Remember, every little bit adds up. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Cutting monthly expenses doesn't mean giving up all the things you love. It's about making smarter choices and keeping more money in your pocket. Start with just 1 or 2 tips from this video and build from there. Your wallet and your future self will thank you.